Matt Eddington Vlogs here. I've heard there was a car crash on this road, so I'm gonna go show you guys. Yep, it's cold out here. Really cold. I think it's like 30 degrees. I don't know. This is not clickbait because I do not know how to Photoshop, and I'm not gonna get close because you don't know I might explode. So almost here. So cold. I can't even feel my leg. I'm gonna die out here. Look at all those cars. Let's check in the zoom in and out. Please like, subscribe, and I hope that guy is okay. Because basically he crashed his truck. He ran all the way over to our house, right there. He was covered in blood, nearly all on this side. But he wanted to call his parents with our phone, so that's just phone. That's my mom's. So we did that. My mom was gonna give him a ride, but our neighbor Cassie, she came over and gave him a ride. There was a fire truck, an ambulance, a cop, all here. Shut up! I'm trying to vlog here! I hope that man's okay. Look. Let's get a little closer. It's snowing. I'm gonna get a little closer for you guys. I'm just vlogging. Yeah, I'm okay. My house is right there. Oh, that looks bad. Oh no. I hope that guy's okay. I'm vlogging here! Shut up, you stupid truck! Man, I don't want to get too close. Might explode. I'm just gonna get in the ditch. Killer clown, clickbait. Ha! Oh. Oh, look at that. That's not clickbait. What kind of engine does he have? Let's see. Bye.